Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a JavaScript and CSS code minifier and compressor extension directly inside VS Code. With the help of this extension you can directly compress your JavaScript and CSS code without leaving your VS Code. So simply go to the extensions tab and just search for this extension, which is called as Minify. And the very first extension which comes right here, you will see this is the extension. It's developed by this person and it's having almost 600,000 installs. So the very first thing you need to do is simply click the install button. After installing it, just go to your JavaScript file. So as you can see, this is the JavaScript file here. If I want to compress it, I basically open the command palette, Control Shift P, or you can also go to the view menu and then say command palette and simply type here minify, and it actually have two options. Either you can minify the whole directory or it can minify the current file. So if I click the minify current file, you will see it will create a min.js file which will contain the minified code here. So as you can see, all your code has been successfully minified, all the white spaces have been removed. Similarly, the same thing for CSS file as well. If you have a large CSS file, simply again open command palette and just simply type here minify, and then it will also create or compress your CSS file directly in the VS Code itself using this extension. So this will save you a lot of time, because in front-end projects, while you are uh, deploying your code, you do need to minify your code to save space. So you can use this extension pretty easily by going to extensions, just installing it, and it works with CSS and HTML files. So, or you can also minify the whole directory at once. You don't need to repeat this for each and every file. You actually select your directory and then open command palette and select this option minify directory. So what it will do, it will minify the whole files. I think this option doesn't work, so just select minify only. So if I select minify, the file will be minified. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.